Welcome to the 2019 City Nature Challenge. Join over 150 cities worldwide as they compete to see who can make the most wildlife observations. Using cameras and smartphones, tens of thousands of people will observe wildlife in their home cities from April 26th through April 29th, contributing to an international database of urban wildlife that will be used by scientists and naturalists all over the world. Now it's your chance to get involved. Just imagine how many observations we can make all together. Go to citynaturechallenge.org to see if you're in one of the competing cities. Then take pictures of wildlife and upload them to our global database using iNaturalist or your city's preferred platform. Watch as experts all over the world help to identify your observations and see how much amazing nature we can discover together.